How to allow only admin to send message in a WhatsApp group. To restrict messaging only to admins in a WhatsApp group, in today's video we'll be guiding you step by step. So let's just dive right into the video. So open up your WhatsApp application, and once you are in the chats tab, you can go ahead and select the group that you wish to manage. So for example, this is the group I would like to wish to manage. So once you head over to the group, you will be finding this chat here. So you can basically tap on the group's name in the top of the screen to open up the group info page. So tap on it. And once you tap on it, the group info page opens up with description and all other settings available. So you need to find this send messages option from here. You can scroll down or find the option for group permissions. First of all, tap on it, and it should open up the group permission settings on your screen. Now from here, you can just go ahead and tap on this option called, find this option called send messages option. So I just need to go ahead and turn this option on. And here we have this option called admin scan. So what we need to do is you need to approve new members. So you just need to go ahead and you can turn on this option if you would like the admin to only approve the new members. You can turn it on. And same goes if you're the admin of the group. If you'd like to allow only admin to send message in a WhatsApp group, you can tap on this option called send new message and turn it on if this option is turned off. And that will allow you to send messages only the admin if you're the admin. And once this settings is enabled, group members will no longer be able to send messages, and the group will display a message confirming that only admins can send messages in this group. And that is it. Once that happens, group members will be able to read all the messages sent in the group, and they will see a message that says only admins can send messages, and you and the other group admins will retain the ability to send messages and manage the group. So that is it for today's video. You may follow up this method in order to do so. So don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.